Hey YouTube, in this video we're going to be putting on some running boards that Fab Heavy Parts sent over for us to try. They came packaged very well, and it's a good thing because the delivery drivers around here seem to use everything as a kickball. All the individual parts were wrapped up in some styrofoam. They were very well protected. I really like these running boards because they came with red accents, but they also came with an extra set that you can put on that are blue. Then you get your big box of hardware, and everything was labeled individually and separated in little bags. It was really nice. It wasn't all just jumbled together. The black textured finish on these were really nice, and the red diamond plate accents were glossy and really cool looking. You need to separate all your hardware and make sure you have everything before you start putting it together. We laid everything out side by side and made sure we had all the right parts. If you're not a fan of the red or the blue, you can easily take off the parts and paint them whatever accent color you want. That's pretty nice. We made sure we got all the brackets and everything put on the actual running boards before we tried to put them on the side of the Gladiator. Alright, we've got all the brackets loosely attached to the steps. We didn't want to tighten them down all the way in case we needed a little wiggle room when we go to attach it to the Gladiator. If you're not familiar with Fab Heavy Parts, they do way more than just parts for Jeeps and stuff. They do parts and engine parts for Isuzu, Cummins, Kubota, Volvo, Caterpillar, Mitsubishi, you name it. Just need to check them out online. It didn't take very long for Kristie and I to get these on. We did take quite a few breaks because it was super hot that day. Well, they look good and they are super sturdy. And the red accents match all the other red accents on the Jeep. I really like how these look on it. So if you need any parts for large equipment like Caterpillars and stuff, all the way down to Jeeps, you need to check out Fab Heavy Parts. They've got tons of stuff. If you like this kind of content and you enjoy reviews of products, be sure to give us a like and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching.